When WordPress installs, it creates a test post, a test comment, and a test page as examples of how to do them. On your finished site, you won't want to have this test content, so I'm going to show you how to delete those. Now, you can delete comments by going to the comments page and hitting delete. But if you delete the post the comment is attached to, it won't display either. So let's go over to the post page. This shows me a list of all the posts on my site. Currently there's just one. It's this Hello World post and I don't want it. So I'm going to click the trash link right here. You can also trash posts from the edit screen by clicking trash this post. When a post is trashed, it's just like when it's in your recycle bin in your operating system. It's not gone forever. It can still be brought back. You can see it by going to the trash post list here. From here, you can delete the post forever by clicking the delete permanently link. This physically deletes the post and its content from the database. So there's no way to retrieve the post after it's been permanently deleted without doing a database restore. If you wanted to recover a trashed post instead, you can click the restore link from the trash post list. Deleting pages is exactly the same. You can trash the page either from the pages list or by going into the page and clicking the trash this page link. Once it's trashed, it will show up in a trashed pages list and can be deleted forever by clicking the delete permanently link. Now, if you have a bunch of posts or pages that you want to trash or restore, you can do that by selecting those posts or pages you want to either delete or restore and going to the bulk actions dropdown. From there, select either delete permanently or restore and then click the apply button. If you want to delete all your trash posts or pages, you can click the empty trash button, which will permanently delete everything you've trashed.